just go in SPSS to show you how odds ratio and probability risk are calculated. So you just need to go on Analyze and go on Descriptive Statistics and click on Cross Table. Go on Cross Table and you select a variable of control. So for example, as this is the database on satisfaction survey that has been made on the client of a shop. We now search for determinant of buying or not the product. So there are so many questions that has been asked to those who accept this survey, so that they have buy or not the product. So for example, we are going to search for determinant of buying or not a product. So our treatment group is those who buy a product, and our control group those are the person who doesn't buy product. So we select the variable that buy and use this arrow to put it in the column section. Result will cross double in SPSS. So second of all, select the determinant, so the variable according to which you are going to calculate risk statistic like odds ratio or relative risk. So variable is gender. So I go to analyze the risk whether or not gender is a determinant of buying or not a product. So I have selected all my two variables. I will go on statistic and select risk, and then click on continue and OK. I have a cross table here which represent the cross table of buy and gender. Have in the estimate here odds ratio for gender. So we have odds ratio male by female is 1.176. If you consider that this odds ratio is significant, mean that men are more likely to buy than women. The interpretation of our odds ratio of 1.176 here is that men are 1.176 times more likely to buy product than women. So we have the 95% confidence interval here. So lower value is 0.81 and the upper value is 1.70. We have here for cohort buy equal yes. So this is a relative risk of according to the yes to those who buy the product. So the relative risk is 1.05, and here is a confidence interval. Here are the two main statistics. So here the relative risk is close to 1, which means that gender made no difference at all in the buying process. So you can say the same thing for the odds ratio, because maybe odds ratio is seemingly more than 1, but it's not really significant because confidence interval contain 1. So there are part of confidence interval that are less than 1 and other part are more than 1. So we cannot conclude that sex significantly determine a decision buy or not a product. So that's it for this tutorial on how to calculate odds ratio and relative risk using SPSS.